Hello, Just Jax here and welcome to my channel. A little bit something different today, but it is going to roll into something that we do best on this channel. It will turn into art. It's a bit of a retro thing, it's a bit of a childhood reminisce kind of thing. And I'm guessing quite a few of you out there either had or remember trolls. The classic trolls. They're not very pretty looking trolls, but funky hairdo kind of trolls. I had some as a kid. Oh, God knows where they are now. And I recently bought a couple of random boxes through auction off eBay. Which I will show you because there's some really cool ones in there. But again, we'll save that for another day. Then an opportunity came up for these. And I thought, there's something I can do with these. Now, there's something I'm going to do with the other trolls as well, but we'll talk about that when we do that video. Today, we're going to have fun opening some little lucky troll capsules. It was 10 for like £12, I think. 12.99. So I thought, well, that's going to be fun to do anyway. So we're going to do the opening side of it today, see what we got. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to modify them and turn them into little troll cryptids. I've got some ideas already, like a were troll, mer troll, trollenstein. So yeah, if you have any ideas, pop them in the comments. I will be keeping one for myself. I will have a try at a giveaway. I've never tried that before, so I don't know how it's going to work. And put the rest up for sale as unique little pieces. And hopefully I can keep them to the same size to stay in a capsule. If not, well, it is what it is. So that's what we're going to do. I'm just going to get rid of that bag, let my girl out for a week because she's just eaten and she's letting me know she needs a toilet, and get a pair of scissors. And then we're going to start opening these bad boys. Alright, let's see what we got then. Let's create a well. Now I have no idea. All I know is that they're pencil toppers, but I don't know anything. Well, pencil toppers and trolls. Let's have a peek. So what we got? We got commons. Put that there so you can all see. Clover troll, grape troll, sunflower, deep ocean, snowflake. I like deep ocean. That is a lovely colour. Berry, tulip, orchid. And then we have rare with luminous. Oh, nice multicolored hairs. So luminous, cotton candy, mint swirl, sunset, lollipop, nebula. Cool name. Tropical, sky. I quite like sky. Sunrise, aurora, and a limited edition golden glitter troll. Well, obviously we're going to be aiming for the golden glitter troll. But let's see, can we crack these open without use of the scissors? Quite possibly not. So there doesn't seem to be like a tear here kind of thing going down. So let's be very careful. So what we got first, we have got berry troll. That's really thick hair. Really thick. There's berry troll with like brown eyes. I'll bring these down here actually, and then these can all take up space there. we have Tulip Troll with bright pink eyes. I'm surprised with how much hair these have, because I picked up, mind you, they were cheapies. I picked up a really big bag of little trolls, not pencil toppers, just little trolls, for another idea. And they all had long hair, but a bit scraggly. Still beautiful all the same. And Snowflake. Oh, lovely green eyes. Bit of loose hair. There's got to be a bit of fluff kicking around. Actually, that's making me think of Doc from Back to the Future, just because of the hair. We might call that one Doc. We don't want to call him Snowflake. He's not a snowflake. Ooh, we've got our first rare. His hair's stuck in the seal. Who did we get? We got like purple and pink. So that's got to be Sunset Troll, right? Looks like it's got pink eyes. There's no others that are just two. So we have Sunset Troll. Check those eyes out. I wonder how lucky we'll get when it comes to... I'd be surprised, because obviously, you know, the limited edition is always scarce. So it would be a very, very, very pleasant surprise if we did get a gold one. But failing that, let's see how many rares we can get. I haven't seen these anywhere else, so I don't know if they just don't exist anymore. Oh, we have another rare. We got like tricolour here, tricolour hair here. So this is, oh, this is cotton candy. Oh, lovely. I still like candy floss. I can't eat as much as I did as a kid. So that's cool. More pink eyes. And tricolour hair. So not bad. 2 rares, 3 commons. That's not bad going at the moment. Can we be on a roll? Let's find out. There's lots of loose troll hair kicking around right now. Oh, we have a common and we have Sunflower Troll. That is some really bright hair. And bright eyes. Pop them there. Well, we got 4 left. What are we going to get? Oh, our first dupe. We're calling that Doc Troll. It is, well, this one, that one's more Doc Troll than this one, so perhaps we'll keep that one a snowflake, and that's Doc. So come on. Show me the rare. Well, show me the limited edition, but I'm being realistic. Show me the rares. Oh, well, at least there's one we haven't got yet. Clover Troll. There's some really green eyes there. Pop you there. Right, will we get any more rares? Or a limited edition? I would get more of these if I could find them, but I can't find them anywhere. Not in the UK. It looks like it might be a dupe. Oh, no, it's the dark pink. So, well, that's berry. Perhaps that's just darker pink. Because there's no other pink. He's just got darker pink. But he's got darker skin. Is that orchid troll? Is that meant to be orchid troll? I think it is meant to be orchid troll. See, I'd say that's purple. But this one's got darker skin than berry troll. And it's got darker skin than tulip troll. Berry troll is definitely red. This must be orchid troll. Okay, last one. What have we got? Got some lots and lots and lots of rubbish. And it's a dupe. It is Sunflower Troll. Well, it's not bad. Bring them down a bit. 2 dupes, 2 rares, and a load of common. I will keep my eyes out for more of these, because they're fun. And I like trolls. And there's lots of things I can do with them. So, now we have our trolls. I'm going to have a think and compile a list of what they can all be turned into. And in up and coming videos, we'll do 1 each. So there's going to be at least 10. We're going to transform each of these trolls into a troll cryptid. So, as I said at the beginning, if you do have any ideas of what cryptids you'd like me to try and turn these into, you can even be really specific if you fancy like a red one becoming the mer troll, or you have other ideas. It's very tempting to make that Trollenstein. The green hair. And yeah, I will compile a list. There'll be a period of time between me starting that and this going up, so there'll be loads of time for people to get their ideas out there if they have them and if they'd like to share them. Also, let me know if you'd like to see more things like this. They are going to be, in the end, art related. But yeah, if you'd like to see more blind boxing, I think it's called, or blind packaging, whatever it's called, more opening of surprise goodies, let me know in the comments. Well, thank you so much for stopping by and checking me and my channel out. I hope you've enjoyed this. This was fun to do. I enjoyed it. I think those of you out there who love trolls will enjoy this as well. They're fun. Like if you like what you see, comment if you've got something to say, and subscribe if you really like what you see and you want to see more and know when it's coming. Thank you all again so much. Take care and see you in the next one.